I am probably the worst dancer you ever seen in your whole life, but I vowed to learn 45 dances before I turn 45. This one is called Ride the Train.
Now, give me more time. And I need cinnamon rolls. Let's go. Keep your elbow straight. Look. Pull it out in front of you. Alright, let's pause. Hands up. Cinnamon rolls. There you go. Pull it out in front of you a little bit. Yeah. Shoulders up, shoulders up, shoulders. Give me shoulders. You learn how to backhand bounce, right? Let's go. There you go. Now switch it over. And keep it up. You wanna holler. Oh, you leaning back again. Don't do this. Keep them up in front of you. It's intentional. Let's go. You got cinnamon rolls? Let me see what you got. Michelle, Tamika, and Tanya. Let's go. Let's go. We not doing none of that. You ain't learned that. We hadn't done any of that. Do some of the cool stuff. Yeah, you making up your own dances. I think I can. Bite that lip. Bite it. Yeah. Come on. You got it.